going to do this fall look, and I didn't realize this, but I guess I matched my top. And I have just a dark lip, and I was playing around, and it's just like a smoky eye with some gold in there. Get ready for fall. It's raining outside. I'm ready, so if you want to see how I did it, please keep watching. So I have my eyes prepped, and I'm just going to take some MakeupGeek single shadows that I have, and I'm trying out the new Morphe x Jaclyn Hill collection, and I have the brush JH30 right here, and I'm going to take the shade Frappe by MakeupGeek in my crease. So I like how much I've built up the color, and so I'm going to move into a darker color, and I'm going to take that on, I think I'll take that on this brush. It is the Jaclyn Hill JH36, and I'm taking the color Cocoa Bear, also by MakeupGeek. And then I'm just gonna kind of keep going back and forth with this brush with the leftover color and this brush with the darker color, and just trying to add color and then diffuse it and make sure they're blended. I'm gonna go into my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm gonna take Cyprus Umber, and I'm gonna take that on the Jaclyn Hill JH33 to kind of give a little bit more dimension than what I have. I think that's as dark as I'm gonna take it. I'm just gonna go with this. Just make sure everything is all good. So I'm gonna take a shader brush, which I have in here, the JH41, and I'm going to, I don't know, I was deciding between a Tarte like chrome pop thing, and then the Stila bronzed bell stuff. So this, and then I have the Park Ave Princess Gold. I think I'm gonna go with the gold, and then I'll just test that another time. I'm going to take my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, spray my brush, see how this. I like to go down and like lay down a little bit of color, and then I like to go in with my finger on top. And I'm gonna take my finger. That's so crazy. Holy shit. Oh my god. These are really, really pretty. I mean, I'm glad I did my eyes first, but it's such like a crazy texture. I'm gonna do the same with the other eye, and then I'm gonna go in and touch up. So now I'm gonna go back with the brush that I had the Cyprus Umber on, and I'm gonna take a tiny bit. I always like dab it off right here. And I'm just gonna come around. It's been like pouring rain, I swear to God, for like a couple hours, and I just look outside and it's sunny. But I can hear rain, so maybe I'm looking at the sunny part. I don't know. Okay, then I'm going to take my blending brush that I had Cocoa Bear on and come up in here. Yeah, I think that's as dark as I want to go. I'm just going to get tacos for dinner tonight. Not trying to crazy. Okay, I'm just gonna add some Telescopic Carbon Black mascara on my upper lashes so that dries while I do face makeup. Okay, so now I'm gonna use the Too Faced Born This Way in Golden Beige. Then I'm going to take the Born This Way concealer in Almond. I'm gonna blend that out. And then I'm going to bronze and contour with the same concealer in the shade Butterscotch. So to set my face, I'm going to set my under eyes with the Rimmel Stay Matte. So at this point in the video, I did lose the rest of the footage that I had filmed for my face, but all I did was add the Hoola bronzer around the perimeter of my face. And next I'm going in with my brows, and I'm taking the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 3.5. And I just kind of go in and I'm going through and adding the product and then brushing it through and going back and forth. Going to set those with the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. Okay, and I'm going to spray my face with the Morphe Setting Mist. And I'm going to take some eyelashes from a baggie. Lilly Lashes in the style Mykonos. My Duo Brush On Lash Glue. First I'm going to do my under eye shadow, which I forgot to do. I'm going to take a little pencil brush from Morphe, it's the M506, and I'm going to use the shades that I used to do my eye look. Frappe. And then I'm going to go in with a smaller pencil brush and Cocoa Bear, a flat definer brush. And I'm going to take the Cyprus Umber on that. Okay, I like that a lot. I'm gonna take the mascara and I'm gonna do it on my lower eyelashes. Ooh, this hair is crazy. Now I need to, I'm gonna add a little bit of highlighter just on right there. This is just the Amrezy one. I don't really do too much highlight because I do have a lot of texture over here, and so I tend to stay away from that region. But I'm gonna add some to my inner corner. I did that for my sister on her wedding day the other day, and it was so pretty on her. For some flair. And then lip color. It is Anastasia in Heathers. It's really pretty. Yeah, I think that's my vibe. But anyways, yeah. So I think that